Hello and welcome to my channel. Too often we don't notice or appreciate our good health until we get older and begin to experience health problems such as high blood pressure, heart trouble, cancer, or mental decline. Then we say, I wish I had taken better care of myself. Don't wait until you develop serious health problems before taking preventative actions. This recipe is that recipe that will help you stay away from diseases. What do we call it? The primary obstacles to living long. Stay tuned and enjoy. But if your health has already deteriorated, there is still hope and much you can do to improve it. Just get started as soon as possible, and I'm glad to walk with you this journey. Let's keep juicing. Fruits and vegetables are packed with vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients the body needs for good health. And that's why we should always consume a juice, because you're able to consume a lot of vegetables at the same time. Let's keep juicing. Numerous studies also have shown that people who eat more fruits and vegetables have better health and are less likely to die from type 2 diabetes, heart disease, cancer, and stroke. They are also less likely to be obese, and they have lower blood pressure and live longer. If you want to age well, emphasize fruits and vegetables in your diet. Choose pure fruits, juices in place of sugar-sweetened beverages. Let's keep juicing. Shh. Thank you for watching our today's video, and see you in the next video. Staying healthy for life.